Okay, students, let's continue the class. Today we're going to discuss sequence and series. Okay, a very important chapter. Okay, so what is a sequence? What is a sequence? Very simple question. What is a sequence? Shreyas, Janavi, Ananya, Bairesh. Am I audible properly? Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell me what is a sequence? Simple question. What is a sequence? Or a program?
Arrangement of numbers after
Numbers.
one after another in a sequence.
It need not be numbers, it can be anything. Okay, arranging something according to a definite rule. The best example is your prayer hall. In your prayer hall, you are made to stand according to your height wise, right? That is also a sequence. Arranging something according to the rule. The rule over here is according to your height, small to big, isn't it? Ascending order, descending order, all these are type of a sequence. Okay. Arranging numbers or anything according to a rule. Okay. Mainly you would have learned about three types of progressions or three types of sequence. Which are those? Which are those three? There are many sequence, but you would have learned mainly three types. Which are those? Ananya, which are the progressions that you have learned in your first year?
Sir, AP,
AP, then
GP,
AP, GP, and AP, arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Then one more thing, harmonic progression, HP, AP, GP, HP. Okay, what do you mean by AP, arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression usually just normal discussion. Arithmetic on sequence kotre ad arithmetic progression idya ilva anta heng kaniditira? How do you identify it?
Common difference.
You should have common difference when you subtract a term and its preceding term. When the term ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಇರೋ term ಈ ತರ subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ you should have common difference. For example, let's take the sequence 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. This is an AP. Why? If you subtract a term and its preceding term, you will get a common difference. See, you are getting a common difference. Therefore, this is an AP. Okay. And you know how to find the nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP is given by what? Nth term of an AP is given by?
A plus n minus 1 into d.
Nth term of an AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Then, you know what is A in nth term? A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms. Then you know how to find Sn, right? What is the formula in AP? Sn is nothing but sum of first n terms. So, either nenpitkolli Sn, for example, if I say S5, it is sum of first 5. Andre first term inda hididu 5ನೇ term ವರೆಗೂ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು S5. Okay. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ 5 terms add ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. You won't add any 5 terms that you wish. You should start from the beginning itself. That is why we use the word sum of first n terms. So first ಇಂದಾನೆ start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. S5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ first term ಇಂದ 5th term ವರೆಗೂ. S10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ first term ಇಂದ 10th term ವರೆಗೂ add ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay. That is the meaning of Sn. So what is the formula for Sn?
n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d.
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, that is your Sn, and it can also be written as n by 2 into a plus l, where l is the last term. Okay, you can derive this formula using this, vice versa. This is regarding AP. Okay, coming to GP, geometric progression and the hengirutte. What is the rule for the sequence? Here, if you subtract it, you get a common difference. Here, if you divide it, isn't it? One term ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ preceding ಇರೋ term ನ divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ you should have common ratio. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so on. So 4 divided by 2, 2, 8 by 4, 2, 16 by 8, 2, 32 by 16, 2. So ನಿಮಗೆ common ratio ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. Therefore, it is a AP. Sorry, GP. It is a GP. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ common difference ಇಲ್ಲಿ common ratio ಇರಬೇಕು. What is the nth term given by? What is the nth term given by?
AR
Ah,
n minus R to the power n minus 1.
A into R to the power n minus 1. Very good. Now, what is Sn given by? What is Sn given by?
A into R to the power n minus 1 close bracket.
A into
R to the power n
minus 1
minus 1 divided by R minus 1.
R minus 1 when R is greater than 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when R is less than 1, A into ulta 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R when R is less than 1. Okay, this is Sn. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ GPL S infinity sum of infinity terms ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is sum of infinity? Sum of S infinity is given by what formula? Sum of infinite terms.
A
A
close bracket 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R.
S infinity ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು A divided by 1 minus R if modulus of R is less than 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ R ಏನಾದ್ರು between -1 and 1 ಇದ್ರೆ you're going to take this formula. If R is greater than 1 ಇದ್ರೆ then it is infinity. S infinity will become infinity. So ಈ formula ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ S infinity formula ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಒಂದು R should be lesser than 1 ಮತ್ತೆ -1 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 plus 2 or let's take 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 so on up to infinite terms. Find S infinity ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 by 1 minus R ಅಲ್ವಾ? R ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2. So 2 by -1 is -2, which is very very wrong. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ -2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. There is no way. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 plus 8 plus 16. So you take the ratio 4 by 2 is 2. R is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. So whenever R is greater than 1, S infinity will become infinity. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಅವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. You can use this formula only when modulus of R, that is R is between -1 to 1. ಆ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದು. Okay. Then HP is simply the reciprocal of AP. ಅಂದ್ರೆ for example 3, 5, 7 are in AP, then 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7 are said to be in HP. Okay, that is the formula. It will be simply the reciprocal of AP. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So 3, 5, 7 AP ಇದೆ. So ಅದನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ HP. Okay. So these things you would have learned it. Okay. The main important formula, you have to know this. Okay, S infinity is this formula when it is less than 1. R is less than 1. Greater than 1 under direct infinity. And I hope you guys know all these formulas. So if you wish, you can take a screenshot and note it down, or it's okay. Okay. Next, other AM for arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Okay. So direct ಮೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Take it. If A, X, B are the numbers in AP or GP or HP. Suppose APL idre arithmetic mean that is X. Arithmetic mean andre ಏನilla, between these two numbers whatever is there, that is known as arithmetic mean. For example, suppose x1, x2, x3 so on up to xn b. What is the arithmetic mean between A and B? Andre these numbers, that's it. Okay, that is known as arithmetic mean. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಈ arithmetic mean ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ x is equal to a plus b by 2. Geometric mean ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ x square is equal to ab. That's the formula. Harmonic mean ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ it is x is equal to 2ab by a plus b. Okay, you did not derive all this formula. For our reference, it is required. Okay, then sum of n terms is already ಬರ್ಸಿದೀನಿ. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n terms. Idana summation n anta bariತೀವಿ. This will be equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to n square ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ summation n square ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. This will be equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. You have to remember these formulas. This is a very, very important formula. We have already used this